In today's video, we are going to review a new website called cubehash.net. This is a free cloud mining website. Free cloud mining. Join now and get 230 gigahash power. Mine your own Bitcoin with virtual hardware power. Convenient and easy right from your home. Available globally. No need to own hardware or electricity costs. We take over this burden for you. Join now and get cloud hardware performance at a hash rate of 230 gigahertz with a guaranteed term of 2 years. Subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon and give this video a thumbs up. I would like to mention that I'm not a financial advisor. I would not suggest you invest any money in this kind of website. Most of the website that I review will be free. You only need to do the free mining. So when you first start, you will come to this page, and then from here you can click on new account, or you can go up here and click on new account. Either way it will be. In here you will need to provide your email address, a username, and then your phone number. This website works everywhere around the world, and then you need to give it a strong password and then click on create account. When you want to log in, you can click on the login button, provide your info and click on login. Alright, when you first come here, you will see this message: congratulations, you have received a newcomer registration bonus of $5, which has been automatically converted into 230 hash power and deposited into your account. Invite friends to get more computing power. Hello Maliky here. Manage your hash rate and view live statistics. This is my hash rate right now. It is 230 gigahash power. Alright, and then in here on the left side, your cloud minings over time. In 1 hour, this is how much I'm gonna be making. In 1 day, I'll be making around 5 cents, and then in 7 days I will be able to make 35 cents, and then in 30 days I'll be able to make 1.5 US dollar. There are 2 ways you can increase your hash rate. The first way is through your personal invitation link. So what you do is you copy this link and then share it with your friends on Facebook, Twitter or WhatsApp. So invite user, invitation rewards, 3 rewards. So the first one is when your friends click your invitation link, you will get 1 giga hash power. And the second one, invite friends or newcomers who are real and have investment intention to join. Invite a person can be rewarded 20 giga hash power. If someone clicks on your link, you will automatically get 1 giga hash power. And if someone clicks on it and they also join the website and start mining, you will get 20 giga hash power per second. And when your recommendation has a deposit, you can immediately get the reward of the number of deposit, which is like 6%. So the minimum payout amount is $2. What you do is you provide your wallet address in here. I suggest you receive your amount in Bitcoins because that's most easy to do. Since I just joined this website, I only have 1 cent. So once I hit $2, then I'll be able to withdraw my money. And then the other one is you provide your account password and then you click on transfer. The payout time is between 10 and 60 minutes. So it will take around 10 to 60 minutes and depends on the network. This cannot be controlled by us. Also, please check if your wallet address is correct. A transaction to an incorrect wallet cannot be reversed by us. And then down here you can see your payout history. Since I don't have any withdrawal from this website yet, there is nothing that they show us in here. You can also buy hash rate. So if you click on this link, says buy hash rate. So here are different plans. Expand your hash rate and view your purchase history. If you want to buy 1 gigahertz, it's 0.0216 USD. Level 1 is free, and then you level 2 you get 1000 gigahertz of hash rate, approximately $21.6. Monthly income is 7.78, and then monthly withdrawal limits time is 2. But once again, I do not suggest you invest any money on this website because it's still a new website and we don't know if this is legit or not. Just start your free mining and see how much you can earn from this website. It's a cloud mining website and you don't lose anything. All you need to do is just register your account and start mining. And then here we have my account. It will take us back to our account. As you can see, during this few minutes, I have already mined 1 cent. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and if you want to see more videos like this, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. So till next video, it's goodbye.